Hello, so this is our game for our final project. So it's titled Canyon Cowboy: The Case of the Stolen Cake Recipe, and so WASD to move and space to shoot the gun that the player has. So if we hit the start button, we load in. There's a walk animation. I'm hitting WASD, and we have a mini map in the top right corner. So if we go up and talk to this guy first, press I to interact. We click through the dialogue. So he says they disappeared into the tent. So we should go to the tent across the way. Just right here, the purple guy. So if we walk in and talk to him, see what's going on. He says we have to hit the colored balls. So if I hit spacebar, I can shoot rockets. I hit that pink ball, hit the purple ball, hit the yellow ball, hit the blue ball. I hit all of them first try, but you might not be as lucky. So now if I talk to him, he says, "Thank you for playing the game. Go ask Greenie." So if we exit the tent, we go and find the green guy, who is over here. So we go and speak to this guy. So this is a hint that his accomplice went to the saloon. So we can go to the saloon. So the saloon we see is at the very end over there. We can also explore the map a little bit. We have a supply store. This is a train station. There's a train over there. This town is deserted, and people just stole the recipe, so no supplies. They stole everything. But you can go into every building here. Some of them are locked. This train station you can go into. All these doors open, they're on hinges. And they swing. There's a little graveyard here. This is the church. The door is locked. So you can't go in there. Okay, but I can go into the saloon for this quest. So if I walk in here, talk to this guy. So there's a hint that he wants you to change the music by through this jukebox over here. So if I go here, it says M to change songs. So if I hit M, we have 3 songs. So we can go and check if he likes this. So no, he still doesn't like this song. So we can go and change it again. The one he wants is C17. So now if we go and talk to him, he thanks us. And this is a hint. Right, we have to go back to the cacti and Greenie. So now we know we have to shoot the cacti. So if we go back, we kind of walk around, look at stuff. Trains over here, the tower, water tower, some buildings, dust blowing across the terrain, in the sand. So if we go back here, back to this guy, he's still being secretive. So if you talk to him, he's not going to say anything different, right? But now we know from the jukebox, the saloon guy, that we have to shoot these cacti. So let's destroy some cacti, and if you destroy the right one, it's going to be different every time, but if you destroy the right one, then this guy will spawn, right, this genie guy. So if I go and talk to him, he has a confused animation, right? So click through the dialogue. We set him free. And then, so here we make a wish to get the. So our wish is to find the recipe to complete our quest, right? So he says, follow the glow. So, see this yellow glow has appeared. We can actually destroy the rest of these cacti. So there's a shooting animation, some smoke for the bullet, and a sound. So if I follow this yellow glow, right, see it's going over here, behind this rock formation. So we can see what exactly is happening over here. We see this purple guy. So if I go and talk to this purple guy, right? Okay, talk to this purple guy. So, so we win, we got the recipe, and now we can walk around and keep exploring, but now we have the recipe, and that's the end of the story. So now the player is free to keep roaming around and exploring, but we have the recipe now, and the quest is complete. So yeah, so that's our game. It's like a little escape room type format story. Yep. That's it. Thank you.